National Tune-Up Day happens September 25th, a time to remind homeowners to prepare for the winter heating season.
And tune-ups will help your home stay nice and cozy, which is very important, and avoid a breakdown during the snow days. Paul is the Regional Director of Donelson Air Service Experts. Now, you guys say maintenance is everything, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Maintenance is actually super important. It's just like maintaining your car. Your heating and air conditioning system has filters. It has fluids inside of it that need to be checked and balanced and made sure they're going right. So when you get a tune-up with us, we send out a professional technician to you to make sure that your system's operating properly. They'll check the ductwork to make sure there's no leakage. Obviously, we're not looking to heat the attic or the crawl space, right? We want all of your air inside your home. At the same exact time, we want to make sure that the Freon is the correct balance so the system operates at the correct design temperatures. So it's all very important to make sure you're done right. And the filter, right? A lot of people overlook is the filter. The filter is the lungs of the system. So if you have a dirty filter, it's kind of like when we all wore a mask way back when. It's kind of hard to breathe. So if you have a dirty filter, that filter is not allowing the system to breathe correctly, and it's causing the heat exchangers to get hotter than they're supposed to. It causes the evaporator coil to get a little bit colder than it's supposed to, and it freezes up. When those things happen, they start to crack. And if you stop and think about it, if you don't have good filtration, when we turn on our furnace, what happens? You smell this horrible burning smell inside your house. You think your house is on fire. Well, it's because the filter was dirty and it allowed dust, dirt, and debris into your system. And those are things that we all take care of for you.
Ooh.
That's great.
Now, how often should we get a tune-up?
Your manufacturer recommends 2 tune-ups a year to make sure we check the heating system and make sure we check the air conditioning system. You know, if you want to get it done more often, you could, but really don't. But twice a year is what we recommend.
Twice a year, very good. Now, Tune-Up Day, the 25th, that's right around the corner, but you guys are celebrating all month long. They're actually making a donation to the Make-A-Wish Foundation with each tune-up that you perform. That's incredible.
It is. What we're doing in the month of September, for every tune-up that we do in September, we're donating $5 to Make-A-Wish, up to $20,000. And that $20,000 obviously helps Make-A-Wish be able to grant life-changing wishes for children, and it gives them hope.
I was going to ask, so, I mean, why Make-A-Wish? Obviously, you have a lot of choices out there, and it's a great foundation.
Well, Make-A-Wish, obviously, a child is at their lowest point when something like that happens to them, and this gives them hope and brings them up. I've actually had a personal experience. My niece had a technical term, a blastoma, and she had brain cancer. And it obviously, she was able to get a wish, and it brought just life and joy to her, and it was really fantastic.
That's so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much for what you're doing. And you know, you've been with Service Experts for 20 years now. That really speaks volumes about the community, or the company itself. It
does. Service Experts is a great company to work for, and obviously we like giving back, and I like being part of that. It's just a fun company to work for, and obviously being there 20 years, I think it's obviously fantastic.
Absolutely.
And as far as like other services, what else do you guys offer?
So we do, obviously HVAC is our primary service, but we also do plumbing. We check your attic insulation when we're at your home to make sure that that's done correctly. Obviously attic insulation is important because heat from your home or cool from your attic getting into your house makes your system work harder. And your HVAC system is about 30% of your total utility bill. So if it's not operating correctly, then you're paying higher utility bills. And we all want to save a little money. Yeah, well, speaking of, do you have any maintenance packages or plans? We do. We have a very simple package. We have 2. We have one that's HVAC only, that's $10 a month, and then we have one that's $15 a month. It covers your HVAC and plumbing. So we come out and check all your plumbing and all your facilities along with the HVAC. And talk about that peace of mind that the homeowner has after they get that tune-up. What we like to do is we like to fill out a home health report card when we're at the home, and it shows you the before and after, and it's just amazing that when you look at somebody's system and you see the dust, dirt, and debris that's built up on the outside unit that's not allowing it to breathe, and then we show you how clean it is afterwards. And the same thing with inside the evaporator coil. And some people don't maintain their systems. They're like, oh, and one of my technicians one time, I said, how do you know when the outside unit's clean? He goes, well, when the brown dirt stops coming out of it, we know it's clean. Before and after, I bet it's pretty shocking, but also fulfilling. Yes, right? Yeah. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. You've got to make the call today and get ready to transition into these colder months. They're right around the corner. Visit DonelsonAir.com.